Morning, evening, night, ladies and gentlemen. Let me introduce myself. My name is Ruth Gracia. I'm 20 years old. Now I'm in my fifth semester doing my degree at LSPR Communication and Business Institute with major public relation. I am currently learning public speaking and presentation skill under the supervision of Mr. Charles Bonar Sirait. Ladies and gentlemen, sexual harassment is a pervasive. It can happen at school, work, or street. There is no industry or institute that is immune to it because sexual harassment so many people hurts. Maybe you're gonna ask why this could keep happen. At the end, sexual harassment keep happen because there is no unequal power relation between a woman and man at the society. Who are the victim of sexual harassment? Sexual harassment happen without looking at your age, sexuality, and your clothes. The youngest victim of sexual harassment is a 2 months baby, and the oldest is 70 years old woman. Based on a survey conducted by the Koalisi Ruang Publik Aman, less than 62,000 victims of sexual harassment are not only caused by tight or revealing clothes. In fact, 17% of the victims wear hijab, 16% wear long sleeve, 18% wear skirt and trouser, 14% wear school uniform, 14% the others wear loose fitting clothes. This keep happen because there's three reasons. The first one, people normalize all the bad behavior. The second one, male dominated. And the last one, there is no strict law for sexual harassment. Here's the reason why the victim doesn't give a report when they got sexual harassment. The first one, tonic immobility. Tonic immobility is a temporary state of motor inhibition believed to be a response to this situation involving extreme fear. So when this happened, the victim couldn't do anything like give a resistance to the abuser because the victim in the shock position or in the fear position. The second one, victim blaming or self-blaming. If the people around the victim or the victim doesn't understand about tonic immobility, they will blame the victim. And the last one, power relation. Due to the lack of strength from the victim could be sued by a defamation, back as a defamation. We also need to give awareness about emotional toll that the victim can have as well. You watch TV show, you watch movie, where the rape scene is depicted in a dramatic, gory detail, and there is often a little sympathy given to the victim. And the next episode, the girl life peacefully. But in the reality, it's not like that. The impact of sexual harassment for the victim are trigger symptoms of depression, anxiety, stress, and trauma. Not only the mental health side, the physical side can be affected too. The physical symptoms can impact headache, high blood pressure, heart issue, cardiovascular function, and metabolic function. So now that we know more about all of this, and here what should we do if you are the victim or you know the victim? The first one, write down the detail of the date, time, and location of the harassment, what happened, what was said, who witnessed the behavior. Keep copies or take screenshot of any relevant email, text, photo, and social posts. And the second one, tell a trusted friend, family member, or coworker what happened and go to psycholog. At the end, I want to say, if you are a victim or not a victim, what you need to remember is that is not your fault, but the abuser's fault. That's it for me. Thank you and bye.